All right. Today we have Safety Department Supervisor from Swissport Company here with us today. We're gonna talk about the FRESH score today. FRESH score is a full form is Functional Restoration and Status of Healing. It's a new alternative for the pain scale. Pain scale is also known as Visual Analog Scale. Our pain scale is a really old way to measure pain, and then fresh score is something that we introduced a couple of years back, and we have seen positive outcomes about it. Fresh scale, we have 5 stages for that. Our PT department colleagues gather all the objective information and then document them into our system, and our medical clinicians review that and select appropriate stage for the fresh scale. The scale varies from stage 1 to stage 5. Stage 1 is significant difficulties towards doing functional activities of the job, while stage 5 is more than 75% towards meeting the requirements of the job. Now there is some downsides for the like fresh visual analog scale, and there is some good things about fresh score that we're gonna discuss. Of the pain scales, there are a couple of downsides. Like from research, we know that asking patient repeatedly about pain activates neural pathways, and then that increases pain. While we know that from experience and also from expert recommendation that focusing on pain and focusing on functional activities and focusing more and discussing more the functional outcomes, that helps in reducing anxiety and then getting patients back to functions more quickly and easily. Also, it is very important to focus on functional activities and discuss function in some patients who have like more subjective pain that exceeds like over objective measurements. So it's really new way with the fresh scale to measure more function rather than focusing on the pain itself. Also, pain scale is not reliable indicator of tissue healing, and also for like reliable indicator of the tissue damage. So the fresh scale has way more benefits over just using the pain scale. Now let's go over the benefits of the fresh scale. So since we introduced fresh scale into our facilities, we have really seen a decreased use of opioids over the time, over each quarter, and it has also shown like decrease in the outlier cases, which is also really important factor. Also, like focusing on fresh scale has like other more benefits as well. All right, so benefits of the fresh scale, there are a couple of benefits. It helps in reducing opioid use, so not asking patients about pain related questions, and focusing more on functional outcome that help in reducing opioid use by not activating pain and neural pathways. So that's really important to have like fresh scale, because it really helps reducing us like opioid use. The another good benefit about fresh scale is it helps in improving outcomes and reducing case duration by focusing on ability mindset, which means that we ask patients about function, what they can do and what they have been doing, which help in creating positive mindset and really helps reducing case duration. So it's really important to incorporate those kind of questions rather than just focusing on pain questions.